Morning guys, hello, welcome to the workshop. It is Wednesday, it's a Wednesday morning. I've got a 1.4 twin charge, so this is the TSI, the 1.4 TSI engine. And we've got a correlation fault. Now the correlation fault is pretty obvious. If you've ever worked on one of these TSI engines before, you're gonna kind of know where I'm going with this, as you can see here. So I'm gonna show you the procedure of checking the timing and just what I've found so far. So let's see if I can get my cheeky zoom on. Yeah, boy. So down here is a tensioner. So as you can see, that's right the way out. Not ideal, not ideal. And another good telltale sign. Wow, look at that bad boy. So we've got a little bit too much here. Like I say, the correlation issue is as it moves some timing. So we check the timing. So I've locked the crank off. There's a pin that goes around the back, and it doesn't hold the crank. It's a stop. So it stops it going forward, but you can still turn it backwards. So mind that one, guys, if you're doing one. Then we've got the cam locking tool. The cam locking tool is a plate that sits across the back of the cams here. And as you can see, it's not looking too bad on the exhaust cam. It's kind of in, but it's the inlet cam that's letting it down here, and it's nowhere near. So what I'm going to do is time it up now, change all the parts over. I've got some good stuff down there. Obviously get all this in time, and we're showing our Flynn here as well how to do it, because he's stood next to me. So there's an overview of just what's going on, guys. So what I'm going to do, like I say, swap all this good stuff over, get it in time. I'll bring you along for that bit, and then we'll bring you along for the it running hopefully later. See in a bit. So we're back in the Tiguan. So this is a new timing chain on. We've got new bolts, as you can see. Everything's where it needs to be. I've spun the engine over twice, so we've pulled the grenade, that bad boy there, and the locking plate is back in the cam. So everything is tickety-boo. I painted that white line as well, just to make sure everything, you know, you can never be too careful when you're timing an engine up. So here it is, guys. So new chain on, new guides, new tensioner. Cam's lined up, excellent. I've cleaned the bottom of the block for the sump to go back on. I've cleaned the chain housing, this bit here, ready for the new gasket. So yeah, it's a case of just putting it back together now, guys. And when I've done it, I'll bring you a lot along for the it running. So catch you then. So just a little bit later on, and I do apologise, it's a loud workshop, but here it is. Purring like a kitten, just bleeding the coolant system now, making sure everything's tickety-boo. I know we've got no leaks underneath. Bosh. And the original thing we came in for, no engine light. Love it, guys. There you go. That's a round up to a timing chain. If we just go to the engine again, we're looking pretty. Everything's good. Job well done. See you in the next one. Big love.